Hey guys, it's Michael here. Whenever you see a laptop with a dragon logo on it, usually it has like a red black colored gaming laptop, right? Who thought that a gaming laptop this thin and portable also has a dragon logo? Alright, this MSI PS42 was launched in Computex 2018 as MSI's first attempt as a gaming company to sell an ultra-portable laptop in the Prestige lineup. A few of us might already know the Prestige lineup is aimed to be used as mobile workstations by professionals. However, it is not wrong to say that the PS42 is some sort of professional laptop without workstation specifications. Design here is totally familiar with the GS65 we reviewed before. That means simple, calm, boxy, but dominated by silver appearance, reflecting its professional looks. It is, however, true that many laptops are thinner than this, and MSI is working hard to provide performance and reliability above the average Ultrabook without sacrificing its weight instead. When it comes to build, it's slightly below the GS65. It's entirely made of aluminum, but it can be more sturdy. For example, some places make a sound when pressed together. But okay, this is not a high-end Ultrabook, we forgive. Then, I'm also happy to see its thin, black bezels in contrast to the bright body. The screen assembly can also be opened up to 180 degrees like the GS65. The difference is in this 14-inch Full HD IPS level display, and limited to only 60Hz refresh rate. Fortunately, viewing angles are great, bright with good contrast and color accuracy. Moreover, color profiles can be adjusted in desktop. Port collection is not disappointing at all. We have a Kensington lock, SD card reader USB 3.1 Type-C to USB 3.1 Type-A to the right, while we have a charging port, HDMI, USB 3.1 Type-C, and an audio combo jack to the left. If you're hoping for Thunderbolt, the PS42 is simply below the price class. The review sample we have comes with a quad-core i5 15W CPU and a full-power GeForce MX 150 discrete graphics. CPU-wise, it's great. If you don't know, only about 15% slower compared to the i7 version in both Firestrike and Cinebench. Guaranteed perfect for editing photos, videos, and other apps with short-term workloads in mind. I'm also happy on how the MX 150 performs, unlike the Asus EX331, which is kinda throttled down. Fortnite medium settings and Dota max settings runs above 60 FPS. Even LTR is playable at high settings. It's a surprise to see a laptop this lightweight holding up great to casual gaming. The not so good thing here, just like the GS65, is the non-user upgradable memory and storage since it's hidden above the motherboard. We have a 256GB M.2 SSD here, and a single slot 8GB RAM that is upgradable to 16GB. Heat management is pretty good due to the dual fan system and extra intake above the keyboard, so this is not a speaker. GPU temperature can reach 85 degrees centigrade, but concentrated on top so the keyboard remains cool. Cold Brews fan feature is also great for sustained gaming, accessible through the Dragon Center app, and well, not as noisy as one might expect. Strangely, where the also bezel's GS65 can have the webcam above the screen, PS42 is more similar to Gigabyte Aero 15 with its awkward camera position below. But never mind. Keyboard is clearly shallow, but surprisingly tactile and comfy to type on. Being professional, RGB is nowhere to be found, but a 4-stage illumination is there. Something I like is the function key on the right, next to backlight, sound, and brightness settings. Oh, I almost forgot that on top of this humble and tiny touchpad is a fingerprint sensor installed, which should be mandatory on every ultra-portable machine like this. According to MSI, this 50Wh battery should last 10 hours, where in my more realistic usage scenario is more around 7 hours. But don't worry, it's a compact laptop with a compact power brick. The last sort of a deal breaker here are actually the speakers. It doesn't sound clear and no bass is present. Finally, despite having some room for improvement, I gotta admit that the PS42 is a good start from MSI, who just started making ultra portables. Performance and cooling wise, this product is quite excellent. A safe choice if you're looking for a super compact, ultra light laptop but with a good selection of ports and ready to take on things more than just browsing or making presentations. Despite aimed for creative professionals, the price tag is actually competitive, such against the ZenBook UX221. It doesn't look bad either. Kinda like it. Overall, a good job from MSI. You prove yourself competent beyond gaming laptops. I think that's our short experience with the MSI Prestige PS42. If you have your own opinions, don't be shy to comment down below. Don't forget to like and share this video, and as always, have a nice day.